I was originally going to show you a complicated one where you steal a session cookie, but it's very hard to set up, and I couldn't get it working earlier today, and I realized it's really not worth the bother. So I just want to show you a cross-site request forgery. So here we are in the Web Security Academy. Let's take a look at, we did cross-site scripting before, where you post a script tag somewhere where someone else views it, it runs in their browser, and you can do things like steal a cookie. Here we're going to do cross-site request forgery, which is the more general attack where I put script on a page, and when you view it, that script will do something. Like I could put script on a Facebook page that buys an Amazon book. So if you happen to have another tab logged into Amazon, it'll go over there and buy that book, that sort of thing. That's what we're going to do here. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a post that's going to trick somebody into changing their email address. We're going to change the viewer's email address. So that's the game. And so we log in with Wiener Peter to get into our own account. I'll wait for this thing to start. All right, let's see the solution here. All right. And let's wait for it to go. Okay, so I log in as Wiener Peter. All right, now I'm in. And here's my email. And so here I can update my email. So let's see here. So first, do the update email and find the request. We're going to see what kind of request it does to update an email. So I go into, I don't want this. I go into history. I clear all the old stuff. Okay, now I go into the BERT browser, and I'm going to change my email address. So there's my email. I'm going to change it to a@b.com. Doesn't matter. Then update email. Okay, now my email has been updated. So this looks like the post to change email. That looks like the request that did it. Here's the request. It has a cookie, a session cookie, and down here it's got an email parameter. So that is the thing that updated my email. Now I've got it. Let's read the instructions some more. All right. And if there's a trick, you can do it BERT Click Professional, but I don't have the professional, I have the community version. So for the community version, I can use this as the template of the script I need to inject. So let me put it in a text editor here. Okay. All right. And notice I have to fix some things here. Your lab, I have to get my URL, which is this thing. That's the particular container spun up just for me to use for about a half hour. So that has to go here. All right. And now it's going to send this and email anything at websecurityacademy.net. That looks pretty good. I think that's all I have to do. Let me see what it says here. You get the URL. Yep. I could have gotten it by right-clicking and selecting copy URL, but I can also copy it from URL. Now submit this in the post. And try it myself by view exploit. Okay. All right. So I copy this, and now I'm going to put that in a form, back to lab description. Let's see. How about home? All right. There. Now I'm going to put a comment here that includes that script. Okay. So here's my comments. I put the script in here, so anybody that views this, it will change their email to anything at websecurityacademy.net. And now I just put in any kind of junk here. All right, that should do it. I post the comment. Now, if I go back to the blog and view this, that comment, that's disturbing. It looks like it just sits there. It didn't take effect. What have I done wrong? Paste it into the body section. Oh, go to the exploit server and click store. Oh. So what is this exploit server thing? Upload it to your exploit server. All right, I put it in the wrong place. View exploit, okay. And I see you're going to send this like as an IM to the victim. I see it's not putting it in the form. I misunderstood. So I have to go to the exploit server, which was up here. Okay, and in here, I can save an exploit. So there's the head, and here's the body, okay. All right, there's the body. So I store that on the exploit server. Okay. All right. And now, okay. To verify that it works, try it yourself by clicking View Exploit, okay? So let's clear this old stuff. And now view the exploit here. View exploit, okay? That should run it, all right? And let's see what it did. It did a post to slash. That's view exploit. Post my account. There it is. There's a post to change email. And there's the new email. I think it worked. Although there's anything %40, that's kind of funny. That might be a problem. I'm not sure it's going to take that. But anyway, it looks like it's working. Let's go back to the exploit server. The one thing that's troubling me is I'm not sure I like this here. I'm going to change this to like Fred at AOL. That looked malformed. There, that should be something that works. Let's store that. And let's view that exploit. Okay, let's see if that sent the right kind of posts. There, change email. That looks better. That's Fred at AOL. %40 is the code for at. So I think that should change and it worked. It changed my email to Fred at AOL. That's good. So now I deliver it to the user here. There it is. Deliver to the victim. So you send them a message or something containing this, and then they should change their, that should change their email address. And somehow I should win. Delivered to victim to solve the lab. So that should count as solving it. Not solved. Not solved. Craft a response. Let's try deliver exploit to victim. Let's try the access log. It'll show me if somebody has been viewing the page. And here, somebody did load it from 10 to 0. Lab dark. Not sure what I'm supposed to get out of this. I thought I'd be able to see if other people have been viewing it. It's not obvious. Okay. Go back to the server and deliver to victim. I think if I go back to the lab, maybe it'll tell me I've won. Thinking maybe not. Okay, I don't know why it's being stubborn about telling me I won. I think I did it. Let's try refreshing this page. Well, I don't know why it's being stubborn telling me I won. I think I've done the right thing. But anyway, that's what I wanted to show you. I'm not going to struggle with it anymore. I think it's weird that it's not giving me credit, but I think it should. Maybe I need to log out and log in again or something to get it to notice. Let's see if anybody here notices anything. I think it wants the specific email address from the lab. Oh, that might be it. Change the email address. To verify that it works, change the email address so it doesn't match your own. Oh, that's why. I'm already using that address. Oh, okay, that's a good reason. Okay, thank you. I'm already using that address, so it's not able to have two people with the same email address. That actually makes sense. So let's go to the exploit server then and change it. So I'll make it Fred2. at AOL.com. Then store that, and then deliver that to the victim. And now I win. Oh, good. Thank you. I appreciate the tip. That was it. You won't let me have two users with the same email address. Good. So that's success. Good. And the thing is working fine. It's just I wasn't careful enough reading the instructions. Okay. So I'm going to stop this video.